Here are the 5 different ways to use Eczema Honey Skin Soothing Cream. Number 1. Use it as a spot treatment for eczema flare-ups to alleviate irritation. It creates a moisture barrier that guards and conditions your skin. Number 2. The Skin Soothing Cream is perfect for dry lips. It helps hydrate and repair cracked, sore lips. Number 3. Let's not forget our hands. Since eczema forms in the folds of our skin, the Skin Soothing Cream is perfect for hand dermatitis, and I like to use it all over my hands and in between my fingers to keep those areas protected. Number 4. Use it as a face mask. It's infused with essential oils, honey, and antioxidants to hydrate and renew my skin. I leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and remove it with a warm washcloth. It instantly leaves my skin glowing. Number 5. Use it as a daily moisturizer. During my flare-ups, I apply this all over my face and body. A little goes a long way and it helps rejuvenate my skin. It's a great blend for eczema conditions and doesn't leave my skin feeling heavy or greasy. Have you tried Eczema Honey yet?